Today's lesson is Tightrope Walker. I'm a hard worker. I spend my days picking up this box and putting it back down. It's a living. When I'm not working, I relax by watching circus acts. My favorite is the Tightrope Walker, and that's the name of today's lesson, Tightrope Walker. You can find it in the Faber Piano lesson book. To play this piece, find 2 sets of 3 black keys, one for your left hand, one for your right. Use the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers on each hand. Notice in your book there are not finger numbers above or below every single note. When you see a note with no finger numbers, just play the same finger number that you have already played for the note before it. The last 4 notes are all the same note. That's why only the first of those 4 notes has a finger number. This song looks and sounds like this.